everyone! Welcome to the Jayda and Stitches show. Thanks for dropping by the craft room. We've got a quick public service announcement to make on behalf of ourselves and all the other YouTubers out there. YouTube has just made a small update to the verbiage used on our channels. Instead of the community tab, they have now changed community to be posts. So that is typically what we do there. We post on the community tab. So now it is just called posts. So if you're looking for our community tab, you just want to look for the word posts now as you're skimming across the tabs on our channel homepage. The posts tab, our community, is where we post all of our goodies for our channel members, for our subscribers, and for people who just cruise by the channel and want to see what we're up to. We share photos from projects that members have made and shared with us through our Etsy shop. We post all sorts of fun ideas. We've got the odd little video that we put up there too, and just the odd little reminder. So if there's things that you maybe want to keep track of what's going on with the channel, if we have an announcement that's just too short for a video, but maybe long enough that we want to have it out there instead of mentioning it on a live stream, it lands in the posts tab. So the posts tab, previously known as the community tab, is a great place to keep track of what's going on and what's new here at the channel. And a lot of YouTubers use that tab, and it's going to change for everybody. So if you're looking for the community tab on our channel or anyone else's, it's now the posts tab. And updates to everybody's different devices and software might take a little bit of time, so you might see that slowly rolling out. You might still see it say community on, say, your phone, but it'll say posts on your computer, or vice versa. It depends on the place you're in and maybe the software you're using. But that seems to be what's going on going forward. So the community tab hasn't disappeared, hasn't gone anywhere. It's just been renamed. It is now posts. I hope that helps clear up any confusion. And if you want to make my pixie hood, I know you've probably been staring at this riot of color. I've got a link for that in the description box down below. It's one of our most recent tutorials. And if you missed it, well, maybe we should post it on the posts tab. That's it. Thanks so much for dropping by. We'll see you soon here at the Jayda and Stitches show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, stay cozy, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
Hi, everybody. Mr. and Stitches here. Thank you for watching today. Here are some of our other videos you might be interested in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.